Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to class. आज हम टेबल मैनर्स के बारे में एक ऐसे को लर्न करेंगे. सो लेट वी स्टार्ट. Essay on table manners. Table manners, the art of dining etiquette. Introduction. Table manners are an important aspect of social connections, especially when dining with others. They are a set of rules and traditions that direct how one should behave while eating, and they play a vital role in creating a positive and delightful dining experience. Good table manners not only reflect well on the individual but also make others feel comfortable and respected. The origin of table manners. It is assumed that table manners first developed during primitive times. At this time, people were starting to eat with utensils instead of their hands, so they needed a way to keep clean. Moreover, with the beginning of meal culture, people needed a way to show respect to their hosts and guests. The evolution of manners. Table manners are something that is always accepted for awards. We expect to be able to go to a cafe and have dinner without having to think too much about how to conduct ourselves. Regardless, table manners are a fairly recent innovation. For most of the human record, people ate with their hands. It wasn't until the late Middle Ages that forks started to be used, and just then they were not widely accepted. It wasn't until the 17th century that knives and forks became announced at the dinner table. Table manners have developed over time to become more advanced. Today, many different rules of manners categorize how we eat in a respectful society. However, these rules are not always followed. The basics of table manners: wash your hands before eating, wait for everyone to be seated before starting to eat, chew with your mouth closed, do not speak with food in your mouth, use a napkin to wipe your mouth, do not reach across the table or make a mess. Do not play with utensils or make loud noises while eating. Dining etiquette: hold utensils properly. Use the right utensils for each course. Wait until everyone has been served before starting to eat. Do not overfill your mouth. Do not make other audible noises while eating. Do not play with your food. Table manners in different cultures. Table manners differ from society to society, but some common respectability rules should be attended into any setting. Here are a few recommendations on how to care for your table manners. First, come on time. It shows honor for your host and gives you time to sit in before the meal. Don't chat with food in your mouth. Eat up your bite before contributing to the discussion. Stay seated until everyone is completed. It's insensitive to leave the table before everyone is done dining. By following these simple respectability rules, you can avoid hurting the feelings of anyone and enjoy your meal in relaxation. The importance of table manners. Table manners are a crucial part of any sophisticated nation. They show honor to others and can make eating a more enjoyable occasion for everyone involved. Decent table manners also make a good feeling for those around you, whether it be in a company setting or a general one. Here are a few tips to assist you to brush up on your table manners. Chew with your mouth closed and don't talk with food in your mouth. Use napkins to clean your mouth and hands as desired. If you wish to leave the table during the meal, confess yourself first. And finally, thank the host or hostess for the meal when you are finished. When sitting at the table, wait for the host or hostess to sit before you start eating. Start with the fork in your left hand and the knife in your right when slicing your food. Don't touch the table for food or utensils. Invite someone next to you to pass them to you instead. How to teach children table manners. Here are exceptional ideas on how to develop children's table manners. Demonstrate the significance of nice behaviors. Say to your kids that good manners are crucial not only at the dinner table but in all elements of life. Encourage them to realize that by being polite and using their best manners, they will be able to make a good understanding of others. Model a respectable attitude. Be sure to set a good example for your children by using proper table manners yourself. If they see you using your napkin, chewing with your mouth closed, and saying please and thank you, they will be more likely to follow you. Enable them to practice. Give your children chances to review their table manners by hosting family dinners or inviting friends over for lunch or supper. As they get more comfortable with using good manners, they will be less likely to forget them. Conclusion. Table manners are an important part of dining etiquette and can make a big difference in how you are perceived by others. By following some simple tips, you can ensure that you have good table manners and make a positive impression on those around you. So, next time you sit down for a meal, remember to care for your manners. Hope you will like it. If you like, you can share it with your friends and your students as well. Thank you.